Hey guys, I just want to do a quick update. This morning, fuel pump shut off. It's an electronic Holley or Holley style fuel pump. It kind of looks like a Speedway model, which is the same model as the Holley. So I go and start tracing some electric down, thinking it, hoping it was an electrical issue. So I pop open some stuff that I haven't really got a chance to open too much. A lot of electronics. I mean, who opens up the fuels box very often, right? So I was a little kind of sideways when I saw this, but I just wanted to share it with everybody. I'm not sure how I really feel about this. I'm not sure what organization the person that did this, not exactly sure what they did. I would have much rather had a fuse box mounted on the underside of the dash. This is fine. This is just a few wires hanging out, the ignition, headlights out of the center. But this over here, I'm really not sure exactly how I feel about it. I've got 1, 2, 3 fuses in line, and then I've got a whole slew of these. You notice I changed the 15s. They're brand new. Funny thing is, I don't have fuel, and I don't have hazard switch. So maybe the fuel and the hazard switch were for the fuel pump, because they were both blowing. So I replaced them, tested it, still had no power. So I'm not sure. I think it's the pump, but I just wanted to share the this with everybody. I'm not even sure if I want to pull it apart and try to make heads or tails of it, or I just shove it back in the hole and leave it be. I know where all the fuses are. I don't know exactly what they are. I've got 2 relays there. I've got a control module, I'm guessing for the door poppers. I'm not sure what that thing is. It just goes right off the end. It could be a blinker switch or something, I don't know. But anyways, I thought I'd share that. You guys have a nice night.